So reap what you sow, and we made a friendly bet on the UT versus LSU game a few weeks ago. And as y'all can see, UT lost. So I have to do this video wearing LSU memorabilia shirt. So in this video, we're going to show you how to grow carrots in a raised bed. And we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube gardeners? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. In this video, we're going to show you how we're going to grow carrots in a raised bed. Now, first we got this idea from watching Curtis Stone, where he's talking about how to improve your germination rates with carrots by doing layering your beds or whatever your area is at in compost and putting your carrots in there and then covering up. But we also looked at Bumblebee Junction and how he did his to improve the soil fertility on it by adding some perlite, so that way it allows some drainage and allows the soil to be nice and loose. So this is what we're going to do from here. We're going to add the perlite, a layer of perlite, and some bone meal from the Bumblebee Junction's videos. And then after we layer that and get it nice and mixed into here, we're going to add some of the compost. We're going to shift the compost in there and top the compost on here up to the level part of the bed. This is from our modified Three Sister beds. They didn't grow too well, as you can see. After we moved out everything, our squash just started taking off, so we just decided just to leave these in here and everything. So we're just going to basically have our carrots and possibly some beets and radishes into this bed. So what we're going to do is we're going to just start it off by putting the perlite and the bone meal in here, mixing it all through here, because as you can see, it is not loose. We're going to mix this all in there, and then we're going to show you how loose it is. All right, so let's get growing. All right, so as you can see, we added the perlite to give it some drainage and making sure the soils get nice and loose. And then we added the bone meal in here, since carrots and radishes and beets are going to be root crops. The bone meal allows basically concentrates on the root development of your plants. So that's what we want to make sure that we concentrate on fertilization in this bed for this time period. We already checked the pH level in here. If you don't remember me doing that video, I'll put a link above here of that card of where we check the soil pH levels. So we already know what is required of this bed and what we need to add in here. Plus, along with the root vegetables, like I said, you're going to definitely need to add some bone meal to help concentrate with the level in there. Now we're going to concentrate, do the Curtis Stone method, where we're going to just layer this with compost to improve our fertility and germination rates of our carrots. And I'm going to use this tool that I made, that I saw somebody use on the template. Instead of using it, there's square foot template, buying a square foot template. You could just make your own. If you're interested about seeing that, comment down below, so that way maybe I'll do a video of showing you how that we made this. But we're just going to do 9 of these at every square foot area in here, and drop some seeds in each one. Are going to be the purple carrots, the normal garden variety of the Danvers, I guess how you say it, Danvers carrot, the cosmic purple. Now we're interested in growing the cosmic purple because we did a mix, kaleidoscope mix of carrots, and these were like the sweetest out of all the carrots that we tried out. So we're interested in trying these. And then we got this free gift from Baker's Creek, the Amarillo carrots, the yellow carrots. I think they're going to be a nice sweet carrot, so we're going to try these out since they're free. And then later on, we're going to probably grow, once it gets a little bit cooler, we're going to grow some beets and maybe some radishes and stuff. So I'm going to go over here, shift out the compost, and then we're going to add it into here. All right. Alright, so we got the compost shifted out. Now we're going to put it in the bed, get it all nice and even. Start planting the carrot seeds. We're going to wet it down very thoroughly and then cover it with newspaper. Alright. Alright, so we got the compost leveled out in this bed. Now we're going to start planting the seeds. Like I said, we made this template, and if you're interested about how this template is made, comment down below and maybe we'll make a video on how we're making this template. But it is basically easy. We're going to use this one as the Amarillo seeds, Amarillo carrots. And if Curtis Stone method is right with this will improve the germination rate. Put about a few seeds in each hole, so that way we don't have to thin out most people will just throw their carrot seeds or whatever seeds into their bed and then thin out from there. But this way, we don't have to limit our thinning out our seedlings. So hopefully this will work. I'm gonna finish this off and then wrap it up from there. All right. So we got the newspaper. I got the paper covered and watered it down very thoroughly. So we're going to check it about 5 days just to see how well it germinated. From there, this is supposed to be a true, tried and true method that Curtis Stone uses. So we're going to try it out since we never had a good, successful session of the carrots, growing carrots last year. This was very random. Hopefully this will improve and increase the germination of our carrots. So hope you enjoyed this video. Jerry from Reap What You Sow fulfilled my deed, my bet. So hope you're satisfied with this. I hope you like these type of videos. If so, we'll put a playlist right above here. And to the next video, let's grow together.